Welcome to Lab 1. Today we're making an LED blink using the lonely binary UNO R3 and TinkerBlock system. You'll need just 3 components: the UNO R3, a TinkerBlock Shield, and a TK01 XL LED module. Let's assemble our hardware. Place the TinkerBlock Shield onto the UNO R3. Make sure it clicks into place. Now, connect the TK01 LED module to any 4-pin slot on the shield. That's it! No wires, no breadboard needed. Here's our code. We define the LED pin as 3, configure it as output in setup, then in the loop function, we turn the LED on, wait 1 second, turn it off, wait another second, and repeat. Upload the code and watch the magic. The XL LED should blink every second, on for 1 second, off for 1 second, continuously. If it's not working, check that the shield is properly seated, the module is firmly connected, and the code uploaded successfully. Now let's experiment. Change the delay values. Use 500 for faster blinking, 2000 for slower. You can create different patterns too, like a quick double blink followed by a longer pause. The beauty of TinkerBlock? No wiring diagrams, no loose connections, just plug and play. This lets you focus on programming, not hardware troubleshooting. You can connect multiple LED modules to create more complex patterns. Each works independently, giving you endless possibilities. That's Lab 1 complete. You've created your first Arduino project with TinkerBlock. In the next lab, we'll explore more advanced concepts. Happy coding!